Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. You are welcome and God bless you. This is our Sunday meal. I'm preparing stove top stuffing just to show my brother how to make it. No rice today. He loves this, so he's learning how to make it. Water, butter, salted or unsalted, or you can also use oil. Now I'm using the chicken stuffing because we're having it with Cornish hens. I'm gonna allow this water and butter to boil, rolling boil just like this, before adding in the stuffing mix. Now remember, no additional seasoning is needed because I think this has more than enough already. So I just add it in, spread it on out, and then you shut the heat off. This is how I make it. Shut it off, cover it down. Just wait for about a minute or two before fluffing it up with a fork. Now to this I'm going to add additional parsley. There is some in here now, but I want more. I love the color. I love to see specks of color in it. Just love to see the greenery in it. So just fluff it up with the fork. Now here in this household, we like it stiff. We don't like it smushy, and I don't like it like that. So if this is too stiff for you, just sprinkle a little bit of water over it. Okay? And you should achieve the texture that you want. But this is great for us. So after fluffing this up, I'm just going to cover it down again and wait for about a minute or two before serving it. There you have it. It's ready. This is our Sunday spread. Of course, we have the stuffing. We have bok choy and cabbage, fried plantains, corn on the cob, sweet corn on the cob, of course the stuffing, baked Cornish hen with light barbecue sauce, Bahamian baked macaroni and cheese. And I also did a carrot beet cake with cream cheese topping. This was so good. Oh my word. No rice today. No rice today. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one. I hope my brother is watching this today. Make himself his favorite side. God bless you.